Now we will start with basics of electrical engineering. Basics of electrical engineering. So let us define what is electric current first. What is electric current?
Rate of flow of charges.
Rate of flow of charges. Meaning, there is a proper definition for electric current, that is flow of charges, electric current. Flow of charges across the conductor constitute electric current. Across the conductor constitute electric current. That was mathematical definition of electric current, what you told. This is the basic definition of electric current is flow of charges across the conductor constitute electric current. So charges, as you know, is made up of two types. One is positive charge and the negative charge. So any charges can flow. So negative charge. Now we will perceive this in terms of conductor. So we will take the help of a conductor. Imagine a conductor is here. What is conductor? Those materials which allow the flow of electrons to pass through them. Those materials which allow the flow of electrons to pass through them easily. Pass through them easily. So there will be free electrons here. So electrons are negative charge. So we will write negative, minus. So if you can somehow bring these electrons from one place to another, if you make this electrons to flow, so we will say that electric current is flowing. That is, charge is flowing. That is the meaning of that. Now, in order to move these electrons, we take the help of a battery. So in current terminology, we use two terms. One is electron current, another one is conventional current. So convention means what? According to some rules, we say that electrons flow from positive potential to negative potential. So positive to negative potential is, because by convention we are very much confident from positive to negative, but usually the electron flows from negative potential to positive potential. So that's the main thing. Okay. So electrons usually they flow like this, but we take, this is electron current. Okay, it flows from negative to positive. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal of the battery. So what happens here is, we will stick to electron current now in order to learn. This is negative now. The negative means that is also electron. Electron comes from, it flows from this direction and comes here and it will sit here. Okay. So there are no electron here. In this part of the conductor there is no electrons. So there is a potential difference, PD. There is a potential difference. So once potential difference is created, so the charges on the end which is having more electrons, it will flow from more electrons to no electrons. Though charges will flow like this, that flow will happen. As you know, electron is also negative, this electron is also negative. Negative, negative, what happens? There will be a ripple. It will ripple. So once it ripples, this will go and have an impact on this electron. On this from this electron there will be this electron impact. Like that there will be a flow of electrons from negative potential to positive potential. This is how it happens. So there will be a collisions. That's why they call it as relaxation time and collision time. There will be a collision of electrons here, and there will be a between two successive collisions, you call that as relaxation time. So as you know, negative, negative, what? It repels. The more you push electrons here, the more number of electrons will flow from this direction to this direction. And negative and positive, what happens? It will attract. So like this, the charges flow from negative potential to positive potential. But usually we take what the convention says, the electron flows from positive potential to negative potential. We are concerned with the closing of circuit, okay, not the opening of circuit. So closed circuit means flow of electrons, open circuit means no flow of electrons. Okay, this is how the electron moves from negative potential to positive potential. So there will be a collision between the electrons, and the collision will be between two successive collisions. We call that as what? Relaxation time. So this is how electrons flows from negative potential to positive potential. Okay, take down this.